all are doing well. In this video, I will be taking up the chapter directing. In this video, we will be discussing about the concept of directing, the elements of directing, the importance of directing, and the concept of supervision. The remaining part of the chapter we will be discussing in the next video. So let us begin with the concept of directing. What directing means? Directing means giving instruction. Directing means giving guidance. Directing also means motivating the employees, and it also includes supervision. That means when we are discussing directing, we have to discuss all these simultaneously. So directing means instructing the group, guiding the group, motivating the group, and at the same time supervising the group. Now why are we doing all these things? For the sake of achievement of the goal or achievement of the target. So directing function is basically showing the path, leading the path, and motivating the employees so that they achieve the target efficiently and effectively. So directing means giving instructions and guiding people in doing the work. Children, if we remember, डायरेक्टिंग से पहले हम लोगों ने स्टाफिंग फंक्शन पढ़ा था. स्टाफिंग में हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि स्टाफिंग फंक्शन इज प्लेसिंग राइट पर्सन ऑन द राइट जॉब. दैट मीन्स सेलेक्टिंग द एम्प्लॉयज़ फॉर द वर्क फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड प्लेसिंग देम ऑन द राइट जॉब. दैट मीन्स गिविंग देम द सूटेबल जॉब. बट just by placing them on the job does not means that they will start working. For working in the organization, they need instructions to be given by the superiors. They want instruction. What kind of instruction? That what is expected out of them. What are they supposed to do in the organization? What is their target? How they have to work? All these instructions are needed for them so that they can work in the organization. At the same time, they also need guidance. They also need guidance that how to work in this organization. And directing function is giving them instruction and guiding them so that they work efficiently and effectively in the organization. Let us take the example of director, children. Director, कौन सा director? You are right. ये मूवी के डायरेक्टर की बात हम लोग कर रहे हैं. डायरेक्टर का मूवी में क्या काम होता है अगर आपने देखा हो तो हिज जॉब इज़ जस्ट टू लुक आफ्टर द वेरियस एक्टिविटीज़ परफॉर्म्ड बाय हिज ग्रुप. नाउ हु ऑल आर देयर इन हिज ग्रुप, चिल्ड्रन? उनके ग्रुप में एक्टर हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, टेक्नीशियंस हैं, म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर है, सिंगर हैं. इनका काम क्या है? इन सब के एफर्ट्स को देखना कि what are they doing, how are they working, whether they are following the instructions given to them or not, and seeing that कि the whatever work they are doing it should be for the achievement of the target. और टारगेट क्या है बच्चों? डायरेक्टर का टारगेट एक ही होता है, बेस्ट मूवी लेके आना सोसाइटी के लिए. सो दिस इज़ द जॉब ऑफ डायरेक्टर. In this figure we can see, children, that this is a person who is acting as a leader. Leader meaning he is leading this whole group. The whole group is following him. Now why is he leading the group? That means what we can see, he is taking all of them towards one group goal. That means the group has one goal or the group might be having one target, and the leader is leading his group, he is guiding his group towards the achievement of the goal, towards the achievement of the target. And how will he do that? He will be doing this by giving them instructions दे रहे होंगे, उनको मोटिवेट कर रहे होंगे, साथ ही साथ उन्हें सुपरवाइज भी कर रहे होंगे. सो विल सी हियर कि डायरेक्टिंग इज कंसर्न्ड विद गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शन, guiding the group, inspiring and motivating them, and at the same time supervising the employees for the achievement of the target. So here we'll see, children, directing is a managerial process which takes place throughout the life of the organization. So that means what? Ki once we are working in a group, once we are working in an organization and we have one group target, one group goal, then the directing function will be performed continuously. हमें continuously directing function perform करना पड़ेगा. हमें continuously अपने group को instructions देने पड़ेंगे. So when we are giving instructions, it means we are communicating with a group. उन्हें हम तरह तरह के instructions दे रहे हैं कि what is expected out of them. Continuously we will have to guide the group. हमें उनको गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ेगी. इसका मतलब वी आर एक्टिंग एज अ लीडर, वी आर एक्सरसाइजिंग लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़. वी विल हैव टू मोटिवेट देम कंटिन्यूसली. मोटिवेशन विल बी रिक्वायर्ड सो दैट दे परफॉर्म better in the organization, they put their maximum effort and the target is achieved. And at the same time they will have to supervise them. Supervise meaning they will have to check them when they are working. What are they going to check? That whether the instructions are followed properly or not, whether they are using the same method which has been instructed, they are using the same method, the same technology and many other things. And at the same time, if they have any problem, then their problems will also be solved. That means it is not possible कि you give instruction on one particular day and then you say कि now instructions are over, we will not instruct you again. It is not possible. If it is being done, then target will not be achieved because there will be communication gap. Similarly, motivation is also required continuously. So directing is a function which will takes place till organization exist. So organization का जब तक existence है, directing function के बिना goal achievement possible नहीं है. Now here we'll see directing is a very key managerial function, children. Now what is the importance of directing? Let us see. Now directing helps to initiate action. इनिशिएट एक्शन मीनिंग डायरेक्टिंग से ही एक्चुअली वर्क स्टार्ट होता है. इसके पहले का जो फंक्शन था वो था स्टाफिंग, वेयर वी प्लेस्ड राइट पर्सन ऑन द राइट जॉब. बट सिंपली बाय प्लेसिंग राइट पर्सन ऑन द राइट जॉब डज नॉट मीन्स दैट दे विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग. So if we want them to work for the sake of organizational objective, means what? We have to give them instruction. We have to give them instruction meaning we have to communicate. We have to motivate them so that they show their best performance in the organization. Whenever they need guidance, we have to give them guidance also, and at the same time we will have to supervise them meaning what? We will have to check them. The supervision is very important, otherwise we will not be able to understand कि whether they have followed the instruction or whether they are working in the right direction or not. So जैसे ही हम ये सारे काम करना शुरू करते हैं, we are helping the employees to work for the organizational objective. Then the next comes directing integrates employees' efforts. The word integration means combine या combine करना, जोड़ना. नाउ डायरेक्टिंग में क्या करते हैं हमारे डायरेक्टर्स जो होते हैं या मैनेजर्स जो होते हैं या सुपरवाइजर्स जिनको हम कहते हैं, दे कंबाइन द एफर्ट ऑफ ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज़, दे पुट टुगेदर द एफर्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज़, और वी कैन इवन से कि दे यूनाइट द एफर्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज़. और यूनाइट करके या कंबाइन करके कहाँ ले जाते हैं? टुवर्ड्स द अचीवमेंट ऑफ द गोल, क्योंकि उनका तो एक ही एम है कि हमारा गोल या हमारा टारगेट अचीव हो जाए. और कैसे अचीव हो जाए? with optimum utilization of resources, that is effectively and efficiently. इसमें हम एक एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस कर सकते हैं बच्चों. जैसे शाहरुख खान था, शाहरुख खान की मूवी आपको याद होगी चक दे इंडिया. चक दे इंडिया मूवी आई अज्यूम मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स माइट हैव सीन. इस मूवी में आपने देखा होगा कि शाहरुख खान ने क्या किया था, एक टीम बनाई थी, हॉकी टीम, जो इंडिया के लिए खेलने जा रही थी. और उस टीम में आपने देखा होगा अलग अलग स्टेट से जो है प्लेयर्स आए थे. और शाहरुख खान का काम क्या था कि टू इंटीग्रेट, टू कंबाइन द एफर्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेट्स एंड गिव देम प्रॉपर गाइडेंस सो दैट द टारगेट इज अचीव्ड. एंड व्हाट वाज द टारगेट? टू विन गोल्ड. एंड मूवी के एंड में हमने देखा है कि शाहरुख खान की हेल्प से वो लोग इंडिया के लिए गोल्ड लेकर आए थे. द सेम वर्क इज बीइंग डन बाय द सुपरवाइजर्स इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. डायरेक्टिंग फंक्शन, it guides employees to fully realize their potentials and capabilities. इसका मतलब है we all meaning not only employees, even we also have some potential. Each and every person in this world has some potential or some hidden qualities. और ये hidden qualities sometimes we are not able to know. So we need a person who will guide us कि yes, you have this quality, you have this potential, and you can use this for the sake of achievement of your target. So this job in organization is done by the directors, or you can say it is done by the supervisors, or it is done by the managers. What do? They help employees to realize कि उनके अंदर एक potential है, वो और अच्छा कर सकते हैं. उनके अंदर एक hidden quality है जिसको वो use करेंगे तो it is going to give benefit to them also as well as benefit to the organization also. So this is possible only with the help of directing function. Like children, teachers also do same thing for the students. क्लास में टीचर्स भी हर बच्चे को एनालाइज करते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं और पता करते हैं कि व्हाट स्पेशल क्वालिटीज़ ईच चाइल्ड हैज़ इन हिज, एंड देन दीज स्पेशल क्वालिटीज़, these potential of various children are utilized for the sake of achievement of the target. Then next is directing facilitates introduction of changes. Changes are essential part of the business. We have studied business environment, children. We know that business environment is dynamic. Dynamic means which keeps on changing. और अगर हमें इस dynamic environment में survive करना है, then we also have to change. We have to adapt to these changing environment. Adaptation is very essential. Otherwise we will be out of the market. अब changes कौन कौन से होते हैं environment में? Change of demand takes place. The consumer may change their demand, their taste changes, the technologies changes. रोज नई नई technologies आ रही हैं and we have to change our business as per the new technology. So ये changes हम जब भी अपने organization में लेकर आएंगे, whenever the director or the managing director will try to implement these changes in the organization, the employees generally resist. वो resist करते हैं. रेसिस्ट करते हैं मतलब वो इसके अगेंस्ट हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज दे फील दैट दे मे नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क प्रॉपरली, वर्क कंफर्टेबली इन दिस चेंज. सो these changes can be easily implemented if the director or if the manager, if the supervisors explain the benefit of these changes to the employees. इसका मतलब है कोई भी change लाने से पहले कि managers को क्या करना है, they will have to explain the purpose of these changes to the employees. They will have to explain ki why these changes and give them proper explanation that this change will help them also. This will help them to grow in the organization and the organization will also grow. Now next we are going to study elements of direction. Elements of direction meaning what all we are doing when we are directing the group. When we are directing the group, children, we are communicating. And what are we communicating? We are giving them instructions. हम उनको instructions देते हैं, उन्हें बताते हैं कि what are they expected to do in the organization, कैसे काम करना है. At the same time, we invite suggestions also. We ask them to give their suggestions. And if the suggestions are good, they can be accepted also in the organization. Similarly, we have to exercise leadership qualities, meaning we have to give guidance to the employees. Guidance, how to work efficiently in the organization, how to improve themselves in the organization. All these guidance is being given. Then we motivate also, meaning we give them motivation, we inspire them कि how to work efficiently, to use their best, to use all their qualities in the organization. And motivation is given by giving various motivators, we'll be studying later on. Then we supervise them, meaning we check them on the job. When they are working, we check them side by side that whether they are following the right path, whether they are following the right instructions. Clear, children? So that means what? Ki supervision, motivation, leadership and communication. When we put all of them together, then it leads to डायरेक्टिंग. सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट कि अगर हमें डायरेक्टिंग करना है तो हमें कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा, हमें लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेंगी, हमें मोटिवेशन करना पड़ेगा. एट द सेम टाइम वी विल हैव टू सुपरवाइज ऑल्सो. सो अ गुड डायरेक्टर uses all these elements of directing simultaneously. It is not one by one कि आप आज communicate करेंगे, कल आप leadership qualities exercise करेंगे, फिर आप बाद में motivate करेंगे. It is not like that. All these elements of direction are used simultaneously. So now we will discuss supervision. Supervision meaning when a person checks you on the job. Supervision is bit a combination of two words, super and vision. When we say super, super से आपके दिमाग में एक तुरंत आता है सुपरमैन. सुपरमैन, और सुपरमैन कौन है? स्पाइडरमैन है या क्रिश है. ऐसे ही आप यहाँ भी समझ सकते हैं. तो सुपरमैन कौन है? जो आपसे ऊपर है. Who is over and above you? Over and above you in the sense over and above the employees. और over and above यहाँ पे हम लोग जो सुपरमैन बोलते हैं तो इट इज़ नॉट सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स और इट इज़ नॉट द मस्कुलर पावर. जब हम यहाँ सुपरमैन की बात करते हैं तो सुपरमैन का मतलब क्या है? द पर्सन हु इज़ हैविंग मोर अथॉरिटी देन यू. तो अथॉरिटी से ही यहाँ पे वो आपसे ओवर एंड अबव हो जाता है. तो ही इज़ अबव यू in the organization, he has more authority than you. And what is vision? Vision means seeing, देखना. So what is the work of supervisors, or what does supervision means? It means seeing the activities of employees from over and above. He is above you, the person who is above you, he is seeing your work when you are working in the organization. He is checking you on the job when you are working. So when he is checking you, when he is overseeing you in this process, what he is going to do? He will be correcting your mistakes. If suppose you are doing wrong, then he is there to check you on the job, and he will help you to utilize the resources to the maximum possible extent and to achieve the target. Supervision can be understood from the two points of view. One is as an element of directing, that we have already discussed, children. As an element of directing, it means overseeing subordinates' work, meaning the supervisor, the manager is checking subordinates on the job. The manager has more power than these employees, the supervisor has more power than the worker, so they are checking you on the job. The employees or the workers are their subordinates. And it can also be understood as a function performed by supervisors. Supervisors कौन है? मैनेजरियल पोस्ट है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. तो सुपरवाइजर्स का मेन फंक्शन क्या है? सुपरवाइज करना, चेक करना. किसको चेक करते हैं वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में? वर्कर्स को चेक करते हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं, जो उनके इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. तो एज एन एलिमेंट ओवरसीइंग द सबऑर्डिनेट, एंड एज अ फंक्शन इट इज़ द फंक्शन परफॉर्म्ड बाय अ पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप, एंड दैट ग्रुप इज़ नोन एज सुपरवाइजर्स. और सुपरवाइजर्स का काम है अपने वर्कर्स को चेक करना इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन व्हेन दे आर वर्किंग, checking them, at the same time correcting their mistakes, helping them to achieve the target. All these functions are performed by the supervisors. Now supervisors जब supervise करते हैं तो they have to ensure that the performance of work is according to the target, that each group has been given one target. हर ग्रुप को एक टारगेट मिला हुआ है. तो सुपरवाइजर्स को क्या इंश्योर करना है सुपरविजन करते समय? कि जो ग्रुप है उसका जो परफॉर्मेंस है, यानी जो वो काम कर रहा है, वॉट एवर वर्क इज ही इज़ डूइंग, इट शुड बी फॉर द अचीवमेंट ऑफ टारगेट. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोई डिविएट कर रहा है अपने पाथ से. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ग्रुप का कोई मेंबर हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है, या ही इज़ नॉट यूजिंग द सेम मेथड विच इज़ बीइंग गिवन टू देम बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बाय द सुपरवाइज़र. क्योंकि अगर ग्रुप का कोई एक मेंबर भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो नहीं करेगा तो ग्रुप का टारगेट अचीव नहीं हो पाएगा efficiently and effectively. So for the sake of achieving the target effectively and efficiently, it is essential that the whole group's performance is as per the instruction given to them. It is as per the orders given to them, and they all should be moving towards one target. They should not be having their individual target. जैसे अगेन हियर वी विल डिस्कस द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ चक दे इंडिया मूवी. वहाँ पे आप देखो ग्रुप में जितने मेंबर्स थे सब अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. सो व्हाट वाज द जॉब ऑफ शाहरुख खान, द कोच? ही वाज जस्ट देयर टू लुक आफ्टर दैट द efforts of each employee is towards the achievement of the target and they all are following his instructions. So goal achieve करने के लिए ये essential है. Okay. Then the next is children, it ensures unity among workers. यूनिटी का मतलब होता है यूनाइट करना. इसका मतलब क्या है, हम ग्रुप में, अगर आपको ग्रुप का टारगेट अचीव करना है, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, द होल ग्रुप, जितना भी हमारा पूरा ग्रुप में मेंबर्स हैं, द ग्रुप या ऑल द मेंबर्स, यू कैन से ऑल मेंबर, दे शुड बी मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द सेम टारगेट. उनका सबका टारगेट सेम होना चाहिए, सेम गोल होना चाहिए. तो दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ यूनिटी. सबके एफर्ट्स को हमें यूनाइट करना है टूवर्ड्स द अचीवमेंट ऑफ द सेम गोल और सेम टारगेट. अगर सबका गोल अलग अलग हो जाएगा, अगर सब अपने अपने गोल के लिए काम करेंगे, तो ग्रुप का टारगेट अचीव नहीं हो पाएगा. सो हियर वी हैव टू यूज़ दैट प्रिंसिपल, सबॉर्डिनेशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल इंटरेस्ट टू जनरल इंटरेस्ट. जैसे हम लोग, अगर आपको याद हो बच्चों, आप सब खेलने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो जब आप फुटबॉल का मैच खेलते हैं तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, जितने भी प्लेयर हैं सबको एफर्ट्स को यूनाइट करना है और देखना है कि हर एक यही कोशिश करे कि बॉल आपके गोल में जाए, ओपोनेंट पार्टी के गोल में नहीं जानी चाहिए. अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं तो यू विल नॉट विन द मैच. दैट मीन्स सबका गोल सेम है. देन इट हेल्प्स टू प्रोवाइड गुड ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन. यानी ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग तो हमें मालूम है, मेकिंग यू मोर एफिशिएंट टू with your work, giving you experts services, you can say. आपको और अपने काम को अच्छा करना, so that you finish your job timely, so that you work efficiently and effectively in the organization. Training is very essential for optimum utilization of resources, because if you are not trained, then you will waste all the resources. It may be physical or it may be financial resource. So supervision provides on the job training, meaning supervisors are there with you continuously. When you are working in the organization, they are there with you, they are continuously checking you ki whether you are following the instruction, whether you are working in the proper manner or not. You should not be deviating from the path. All these things are checked by the supervisor simultaneously when you are working. और जैसे ही उन्हें लगता है कि you are deviating from the path or you are not following the instructions or the instructions are not clear to you, other way around we can say, तो तुरंत वो आपको चेक करते हैं और आपको काम करने का सही तरीका बताते हैं. Training also helps employees to grow themselves in the organization, because then they will be able to perform work efficiently and effectively, and they may get chance for promotion to the higher jobs, or it will help them to earn more in the organization. Then next, it helps to build up high morale of the employees. Morale of the employees meaning boost up करते हैं उनका morale. They are able to understand कि yes, we can do that. Though it was a new technology or it was a new method, but we are able to work on this new technology, and this confidence is given to them by the supervisor. Supervisor is there, he is acting as a leader, he has given you this confidence कि नहीं, you can work, and if by chance you deviate from the path, we are there to check you. We will check you, we will show you the correct path, we will show you the correct method, and in that way you will be able to achieve your target efficiently and effectively. So the employees morale is boost up. Clear children? So this is all for supervision and directing. We will be discussing motivation, leadership.